How to log into your Yahoo Mails account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Yahoo Mails account from your mobile device. So to do that, first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. And now in the search bar, type in Yahoo. After that, download the Yahoo Mail app, and once it's downloaded, simply open it. Now once you open the Yahoo app, your interface will look somewhat like this, and there you'll be provided with two options in order to log in. The first one, you can log in using your Yahoo Mails account, or if you want, you can also log in using your Google account. So for now, we'll simply tap on sign in with Yahoo. Now it'll take you to this page where you'll have to enter either your username, email, or your mobile number. And in case you don't remember your username, what you can do is tap on the option forgot username, and then you'll have to enter your email address or your phone number and then recover your username. Now once you've done that, simply enter your username. After that, tap on next. And now it'll ask you to enter your password. So if you remember your password, you can simply enter that. But in case you don't remember your password, tap on the option forgot password. And now you'll have to verify your phone number by entering the missing digits. After that, once you tap on submit, they will send a verification code to your phone number and you can reset your password from there. Now enter your Yahoo account's password. After that, tap on next. And there you have it. You have successfully logged into your Yahoo Mails account from your mobile device. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.